So it's Monday, October 5th, 2020, and I found what I was thinking about. There's one of those clips, and it is 1 inch. And so this guy is held on here by 3 clips. There's one there. I found a second faceplate. There's the one that was in the car. This is another one. It has a broken tab. So they found another one. And that's the one I went with and had restored. So these clips clip on. One, 2, and 3. So they sell these clips and get them shipped for $7, free shipping, from the parts place or something like that. So I'll look into it more, but that's what I was looking for. And that's how this thing stays together with these 3 clips. Well, with 3 of these clips, not these 3, because I only have 1. These are angled, and I cannot find these. These are nowhere to be found. So I think I'm just going to reuse these. Got a new lens coming. This one is cracked. I tried to polish those 2 lines out, and I can't. So I'm gonna, I wanted to get the part number of this cover. There's the part number. It's 3883800. 3883800. I'm going to Google that and see if I can come up with something. I don't know what that is. I can't. Maybe that was a sticker sitting on something or something. I don't know. Okay, and this one is cannot see that. It's so small. That is a part number, but it's so small I can't read it. Hey, who's that?
Wifey.
Hi, wifey.
Hi, hubby. Time to eat.
Okay. A little bit closer. Maybe on a dark background you can see it. I can't see it. I can't read it, but maybe I can read it on the computer. Okay, I'm gonna go in and eat. little victory today. I found these 3 clips. They can be had. Gotta order them so I can get them by Friday. It's Saturday, October 10th, 2020, and I'm going to put my heater control back together. I got new clips from the parts place. So these are pretty universal clips. Here's an original. It's just an inch long clip, and that's what these are. It's the same. These were $7 shipped, plus tax, of course. eBay charges tax now. So I got these, I ordered these on Monday and I got them on Thursday. So maybe Friday. Friday? Thursday? I don't know. I got them really fast. Got a new lens from the parts place. This was about $21. Not the parts place, National Parts Depot. National Parts Depot. This same lens is kind of all over the place at the other places, like OPGI, it's 28. National Parts Depot, it's 21. So my old lens, I would use it for sure, because I prefer, you can see the difference. It's kind of off-white color. It's not really clear. The printing is much finer. It's got 2 cracks. It's cracked there and it's cracked there. This reproduction lens is okay. The printing is fatter. The color is, this is more kind of I forget that soft drink color. It's just got a little tint of kind of yellow in it. I hold it up to light, it looks pretty clear though. It might be clear, it might be my imagination with this towel, but I don't think so. You can still see the this one's got that little scratch, but it's not a scratch. It's kind of a, I looked at it really close, it's kind of a weird, it's got 2 lines. Anyway, I'm going to go with it and see. It's at the top. I don't think you're going to be able to see it unless you get down on your hands and knees on the carpet and stare at it. So it should work okay. This, I touched up the silver. So hopefully that'll be good to go. And cleaned it up. I think I got a part number on this one. I think, pretty sure, but it's 3880798. And I know I got a part number on this one. This is my original piece. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back together. And the The knobs, you can't get these. These are original knobs. Nobody reproduces them. Um, they they make the square ones, but not these angled guys. So I'll just have to make do with these, which will be fine. Put a little more silver on that. I think I already did, so maybe I'll just leave it. I don't want that plastic to peel off of here. Okay. Saturday, October 10th, 2020. So here are the aftermarket clips. Takes 3. And they are there's an original one. Here's the aftermarket one. So they're carbon copies of the original. I don't know if these maybe are GM pieces. I don't know. Okay, that one looks a little longer. Yeah, they're the same. Yeah, they're all the same. They're all 1 inch. Yep. Okay, I just wanted to. And these are for, 79 to 70, 69 to 76 heater lens clips. They're all the same. They're 1 inch clips. Okay, it's Saturday, October 10th, 2020. I got the heater control out of the Chevelle. I got a new lens for it, and I'm going to put the assembly back together correctly, like it should have been done. So this one has 2 clips that hold it. 3 clips, sorry. Here and here. And they just snap on and hold the lens and faceplate and all that stuff in place. These were absent, so I'm going to put this all back together. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll go over everything. Let's see if this has a correct, or this has a part number on it, casting number. This is an original piece. They do make these reproduction, but this is an original. It's all aluminum. It's cast aluminum. Original cables. I don't see a casting number on it. I don't see a casting number. There's the original screws for the hold the fan switch in. Speaking of fan switch, I do want to clean these terminals. Okay, so once it's back together, I'll take another video. Okay, it's Saturday, October 10th, 2020, and I got the heater control, bezel, faceplate all back on, and it's ready to go back in the car. It did snap into place with the clips, so I got the top clip. Thank you, the parts place, for sending those in time so I could get this thing back together this weekend. Got the bottom clips on. So that should take care of the rattle where I had a piece of cardboard stuck up under the lip of the bezel there. So it looks great. I guess I could put the knobs on. I don't know. Probably no reason why I couldn't. So let me look at doing that right now before I put it back in the car. Yeah, so it's October 10th, 2020, and yeah, it's a better idea to put the knobs on now rather than in the car because you have to hold them from the backside to sort of snap them in place. So they're on. As you can see, they're angled to follow the angle of the faceplate. So they don't sell these aftermarket, which kind of sucks. Those are the original knobs. The only piece that's not original is the plastic, clear plastic faceplate with the lettering. Everything else is original. It's original 66 stuff. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the car. So it's Saturday, October 10th, 2020. I got the heater control back in, and it's El Perfecto. Went in really great. Got the gauges back on.